What is going on, guys? How are we doing today? So here it is, 2020 Diamond Kings. This is a new release today. This is going to be cool. This is going to be cool. I've heard some good stuff about this product. So let's see. Let's get to it. Get some of these open as we go. We get 2 autos or memorabilia per box. Looks like 12 packs, 8 cards per pack. So we're going to rock out 6 boxes. Empty box 1. Check out the ticker on the top, guys. We got some more active breaks going. We've got some stuff over in TBCF. I've got a jumbo box of 2020 Bowman over there. And over here in JJ's, we've got a box of 2020 Score Football Pack Wars. And we have a box of 2019 National Treasures. It's a BOGO break. You pick a team and you get 1 random team. So you pay for 2. You pay for 1 spot and you get 2 teams. There are a few teams that are unavailable as they will be random. All the big teams, Blue Jays, Padres, the Angels, the Yankees, and the Mets are all random. So you have a chance at the monster team. It's $55 for a spot, and you get 2 teams in 2019 National Treasures. So you can come out way ahead on that. Welcome, Dalton. We are glad to have you, man. Glad to have you. If you can shoot me your address via PM, Dalton, that would be great. As of right now, my shipping day, just so you know, is Saturdays. It used to be Monday. I'm trying to switch it over to Saturday. I've just recently switched over my office and all that, and I'm kind of revamping some stuff. So I'll try and get everything out this Saturday. If not, for sure next week I'll be on the new schedule. But I should have it all out for you guys this weekend. If not, it'll be Monday, but I think I'll be good to go. So here we go, guys. Good luck, all. Good luck, Dalton. So we have a Yogi Berra, Marte, Johnson, Pete Alonso, and our first frame card is a Mel Ott. Mel Ott. Verlander. And Dalton, a lot of cards I sleeve later on while I'm sorting. I will do some now. There's a Ryan Sandberg. Gosselin, Posey. There's a nice Aquino. That rookie will be sleeved for sure. Votto. And there's a Anthony Rendon in the zone. Pretty cool looking card. And a Bo Bichette. Bo Bichette. I haven't even gone through this break or these cards, so if you see any short prints, let me know. Yamamoto. I may miss them. I do sometimes. I catch them on the flip side. Keller, Rose, Daza, Greenberg. And what is this? What is this card? That's an Alex Bregman DK Originals. It's pretty cool looking right there. Astros. I'm going to post 2 more boxes of this up in TBCF, guys. Richie Ashburn, Jackie, Gallon, Mickey. There's a Hornsby, Rizzo, Killebrew, Bryce Harper, Gallery of Stars, Barria, Ty Cobb, Mendick, Luke Gehrig, Jake Rogers. Dalton, with a lot of these products too that are kind of heavy like this with base cards, I kind of go through them a little fast. once we get in the hit heavy product, I definitely slow it down. We sleeve them all, I show them all off. So don't feel like I'm going to rush through all the breaks. It's just when you get in a product like this has a lot of bass and a lot of the same stuff, we kind of go a little quick. There's a Nap, Cleveland, Jackie Robinson. These are cool this year. I like those. I don't mind the design. Sometimes I don't like the design of the Diamond Kings, but I'm liking these. Keston, Crown, and our first hit. It's a Patrick Sandoval dual patch auto. It's non-numbered. That's going to the Angels. The Angels belongs to Matt. There you go, Matt, with our first hit. Find the right top load here. Matt with our first hit. And just to give you guys an update too, we do have storms rolling through the area. So if my feed were to happen to go out, it's definitely because we have thunderstorms rolling through. We're under severe warnings until 6 p.m. So hopefully not. It's been good all day, so let's hope it gets us through the break at least. Killebrew, Yelich, Wilson, Nola, Travis, Joe Sewell. There's a nice Ohtani. Cool looking card right there. Machado, Abreu, Dom DiMaggio. Is that a short print card? I'm not sure. Let's set it to the side. Just because it says Dom in the beginning of it. Reggie Jackson makes me think that that might be a short print. If you guys know, let me know. Dalton, I already did 2 full cases of it, man. I have 1 single box left. I already broke 2 cases. Clemente. I've got all the new stuff that's starting to come out, though. I got at least a case of it coming, especially the Topps products. But I have a ton of products sitting here, so I've got a lot to post. Yachty, Longoria, Mantle. Yep, already did 2 full cases of that. So, Nico, Sandoval, Altuve, Yu Chang, Gavin Lux, Josh Bell. And we got it. That's cool. Elston Howard, New York. I believe that's a Yankee. I believe. I'm going to have to look them up unless you guys know. Elston Howard with our patch. I believe that's a Yankee. What is up, Joe? Right on, Dalton. Glad to have you, man. Glad to have you. We have a lot of stuff. I've got an active break going right now too, so feel free to jump in on it. Soto, Nolan Ryan, Baez, Kershaw, Babe Ruth, Chris Bryant, Pete Rose, and a Jake Fraley. All right, so there's box 1. Let me grab a couple top loads here a second without running my dog over, who wants to lay behind me because he's scared of the thunder. Scared of the thunder, but he's like 13 years old. Scared of fireworks, but it's all good. It's all good. I don't blame him. I just got to remember he's behind me and I don't roll over him with my chair because he's usually never in the room with me. All right, that's box 1, guys. Here we go. Box 2. Box deuce. Let's see. I'm trying to think what else I got. I've got another half case of 2020 Select Baseball, half case of Leaf Flash Baseball. I've got some boxes of Chronicles baseball, 2020 Chronicles football, 2020 Score football, some 2019 Triple Threads, 2019 Inception, 2020 Inception, Bowman's Best, a couple other random things just laying around here that I need to get listed, and I can put another order in. I just put some big pre-orders in today for all the stuff, pretty much everything through July. I just put an order in for, so even actually into August, so all the good stuff. 5-star Triple Threads, Museum Collection, Series 2 update, Stadium Club, all that stuff is coming out here in the next month or two, guys. It's gonna get fun. I didn't get a ton of the stuff, but I got at least one case of all the Topps products coming. At least one case. The Triple Threads, I actually got a master case, so I'll probably do a inner case in JJ's and an inner case in TBCF. I'll probably split it up. Got a couple boxes of 19 Topps Chrome coming. So, definitely got stuff to break, guys. I will get that stuff up. I just got to get the breaks that are active filled up. I don't want to get too many things going at once. So we'll get that National Treasures filled up, and then I'll post something up, depending on when that fills. Something else for tomorrow break. Unless that doesn't fill tonight, then you know we'll go a little bit after that. But we'll get stuff up. So keep an eye open, Travis, Dalton. I always got stuff going, guys. Every day of the week. I break Monday through Friday. I don't really break on the weekends. I spend that time with my wife. I don't break much in the evenings unless I have to. A lot of it's during the day. And there's a nice Nico Horner for the Cubbies. That's some fire right there. Travis Anderson. Nice Nico Horner dual patch auto with a pinstripe. Congratulations, Travis. That is a nice card right there. That is a nice card right there. Nico Horner. That's who you want for them Cubbies. Congratulations. Nice. Nice. Rendon. Sewell. Lou Gehrig. Dom DiMaggio, definitely not a short print because there's the second one of those. Mancini. Baez. Travis. Clemente. Abreu. There's a framed card and it's a Clayton Kershaw. Eddie Murray. Pete Rose. Larry Walker. It will be selectively pick your team. Diamond Icons I am not getting because it is way too expensive. Satchel Paige, Keston, Cease, Frank Thomas. Icons is very pricey. Dalton, I should explain, and probably to you as well, Travis, that when I post pick your teams, I usually do not tag anyone for the first 4 hours of the break. I want to give everyone a fair shot at it. I don't want someone to ask to get for a tag and I missed them and then they get upset with me. So that is my own personal rule. I don't tag on pick your teams for the first 4 hours or so. If it's a new product, I didn't do it with this break. This was just a surprise one. Usually on new breaks, especially if it's going to be a full case, guys, new release stuff, I will, a lot of you know, I'll post something up that says set your alarms so you know it's coming and what time I'll go live with it. This was just a random 6 boxes, so I just threw it up and we went with it. So, it is what it is. This is cool. Strasburg dual patch going into the Washington Nationals. The Nationals goes to Alex. Nice Strasburg. Dual patch. Come on, camera. Sometimes it doesn't want to focus for me. Arenado. Miggy. Ripken, Wagner, Sandoval, Yu Chang, Gavin Lux. There's a nice Joe DiMaggio. Tim Anderson and a Brock Burke. Flaherty. Jordan Alvarez, nice. Posey. And there's an Ohtani framed. An Ohtani Gallery of Stars. Cal Ripken. Joe DiMaggio. Mancini was numbered. I missed it. Where was the Mancini, Joe? How far back was that? Yamamoto. Obviously, you know I'll find it. Speaker, Trout, Thomas, Walton. And there's a Lindor, Stan Musial, Pete Alonso, Danny. There's a Paul Molitor out of 99 and a Pete Alonso. Molitor out of 99 for the Brew Crew. Alex. The numbers kind of blend in sometimes. So I'm not surprised if I missed one. But I will get it. Paul Molitor. Cool card. Anthony K. Schilling. Votto. Logan Allen. And there's a Johnny Bench. Pete Alonso. Vlad Sr. Expos, that's going to the Nationals. Greenberg, Jimmy Fox, Yelich, and an Ohtani. All right, box 3. I'll find that numbered Mancini, Joe. You always catch them for me. It's really weird, like the lighting in here is totally different than what you guys see, and it's totally different than what I see on the screen. It's actually kind of hard for me to see some of this stuff compared to looking at it on the monitor. Yeah, it's interesting. Sometimes I'll watch some playbacks and it's like, man, that looks way better than what I'm seeing. So I guess that's a good thing, that it looks better for you guys. All right. This is box 3. And a lot of the base heavy stuff, guys, I usually don't do full cases of it. Like Series 1, 2 update, you know, that's kind of stuff. I'll usually get a case, but I'll split them up into smaller breaks. I'll probably sell a couple boxes. It's just way too much paper to go through, and I don't know. I did a full case of Bowman, and that sucked. That was a 3.5 hour break, and even longer to sort it all. So I usually don't do full breaks of just paper too often. Every once in a while. There's just a lot going on. Cease, Clemente, Pete Alonso, and Javier Baez, Horner, Maris, Votto, Christie. And there's a Isan Diaz. That goes to Miami. Eddie Murray, Larry Walker, and a Yu Chang. Gavin Lux, Mickey. Another Frank Thomas. Bobby Bradley, and a Daza, or Daza. And we got a Jose Abreu going to the White Sox. Abreu for the White Sox. That goes to Joe G. That's his team. Chi-Town. Abreu. Oh, I hear thunder rolling in, guys. Fingers crossed we get through this bad boy. Arenado. Sandberg. If it were to cut out, I will just instantly set everything down and I will come back to it once a feed comes back available. Tony Gwynn. I will just instantly set everything right down and not touch it. But let's hope it doesn't get to that. Rios. Rogers. And we got Yogi. Yogi. Mike Trout. Nice. Ashburn. Pete Rose. And there's a Jimmy Fox. 6/25. I almost missed that one too. Boston Red Sox. That goes to Eric. Jimmy Fox out of 25. Nice low number. That is 6/25. Those numbers are easy to miss on these cards. That is for sure. Speaker. Machado. Yamamoto. Lindor. Roberto Alomar. Ty Cobb. Dustin May. Pete Alonso. Davis. Wilson. Nola. Flaherty. Jordan Alvarez. And we got a Goose. Washington. Pete Alonso. Ken Griffey. That looks real nice on that green. Domingo. Yelich. DiMaggio. Goldie. Ramirez. Morjan. Taylor. Joe Jackson. Frank Thomas. And Alston. And we have a Blake Snell. 15/25. 15/25 Tampa Bay Rays. Joe, there you go, Joe Ernst. 15/25. Nice Blake Snell. Nice looking card. DK Originals. Rendon and a Chipper Jones to finish off box 3. Here we go, box 4, guys. Box number 4. Yeah, they are on the front. It's just they, like I said, they blend in, and how my lighting is. My lighting's really good. It's just, it's even more bright on the computer. It's tough for me to see the numbers sometimes. So, I apologize. I'll get it. I'll dig it back out of the pile. It will get into a top load. Don't stress that. I got you. I got you covered. Yes, that is a nice Blake Snell. Nice low number. That's what we like. We like them low numbers. We like those. Couple more breaks actively going, guys. Football and baseball. 2020 Score and 2019 National Treasures and JJ's. And over in TBCF, I have one box of 2020 Bowman Jumbo. Everyone gets 2 teams in that. National Treasures, everybody gets 2 teams. Football is a pack wars. Football has been struggling big time. I may start pulling away from it, guys. Same with basketball. It's just, in my opinion, it's all overpriced, and we don't got the people that want to spend the money on it, which I don't blame. And I can't afford to spend the money and sit on the product and have a break going for 3 or 4 days, and then it just never fills, and then I'm losing out on the product, and just not worth the headache. So I think I'm going to start steering away from football unless I get a lot of demand for it. I mean, I'm posting some brand new product stuff and I can't even fill them. All the football guys just don't want to pay the price or have disappeared from the group. I'm not sure. I am not sure. We used to be able to fill football, but that is not the case anymore. I don't know what happened. Baker, Votto, Mathewson. So we may just turn to strictly baseball. I don't know. I don't want to do just strictly baseball. I like to do all the sports, but if we can't fill them, it's not worth my time and money and effort to do all the pricing and purchasing and just for it to go nowhere. Trout, Ted Williams, Rojas. So maybe we'll just be baseball only, which, you know, I'll do it. I don't have a problem with it. As long as we can keep filling the baseball, we'll keep doing the baseball. I know more about baseball anyways, so that's a plus. And we got a Garcia, San Francisco Giants, Rico. San Francisco. Braun. Rico Garcia. Nice. Still waiting for that big monster auto. Pete Alonso. Trout. Yelich. Babe Ruth. Joe Wood. Pete Alonso. DiMaggio. Joe Jackson. Toro. Kershaw. Bumgardner. Alonso. Pete Rose. Dylan Cease. Clemente. Hubble. Ramirez. Nico. Mel. And our next hit, it's an Ohtani dual patch. These are cool colors. I like how these cards are. Nice Ohtani for the Angels. Matt. Those are pretty slick. I like that design. They almost make it look kind of like a printing plate. Rendon, Cabrera, and a Marlins jersey. Chang, Gavin Lux, Stanky, Baez, Jordan Alvarez, and our next frame is a Joe Jackson. Joe Jackson. Eddie Murray. Craig Biggio, Houston. Mule. DiMaggio, Goldschmidt, Flaherty. Frank Thomas. AJ Putt, Ted Williams. Gonsolin. Arenado. Feller. Man, can you keep them in one facing the same way for me? Alonso. Tim Anderson, and a Garcia. I may have missed the numbered card in that box too. I don't know. I'll go back through. Obviously, double check them all. Here we go, box 5, guys. Box 5. Oh, they put these ones in sideways. All of these are in sideways. That's interesting. Maybe that means this is a special box. Maybe it's a hot box. Wouldn't that be nice? That would be fantastic. I'd go for a hot box right now. Alright, well, I think rearranging my office here, I think the lighting is a little bit better than it was. Seems like I can get the cards to focus a little bit better. Still have some issues sometimes, but it seems to be working a little bit better. My camera's a little crooked, but whatever. Just the background that's a little crooked. I don't think you guys mind. All right, a couple more in here. See if we can get those other breaks filled up. I can break them yet this afternoon or maybe early evening. Otherwise, they will break tomorrow, which is also fine. I'll post minis if need be. And then I'll post something else up to break. You know the name of the game. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. See what damage we can do out of this box. Kershaw. Clemente. And we got a artist proof Bowens. And that is eBay 101, 49 of 49. And I need more top loads. 49 of 49. That goes to the San Diego Padres. And that goes to Matt. 49 of 49. Ronald Bowens. Congrats, Matt. There's a nice Keston. Tony Gwynn. Toro. Cease. And a framed Billy Williams. Lindor, Tony Gwynn. I like that Tony Gwynn. That's one of my PCs. Nico. Clemente. That's my main PC right there. Clemente. Bumgarner, Yu Chang, Gavin Lux. And we got a quad patch. Yachty. Mr. Molina. St. Louis Redbirds, Alex. There you go, Alex. Nice. Quad patch, St. Louis Cardinals. 2 gray, 2 white. Nice card. I like it. I like it. Vlad Jr. Robin Yount. Alvarez. Baez. Mookie. Knapp. And we have a Trent Grisham. That also goes to the Padres. My favorite product? Soto. Man, that it varies, man. I like a lot of the top stuff. I like a lot of the products that are hit heavy. I like triple threads. I like National Treasures is nasty. I know it's not licensed, but I really like it. Cal Ripken. Tribute. I really liked Tribute this year. That design was really cool. That one was really cool. That's probably been my favorite so far this year. And there's a Cal Ripken out of 99. As far as product that's more base heavy, but still has some hits, Bowman Best. That's, I don't know. Something about Bowman's Best. I love that stuff. I know you don't get the patches and stuff, but the cards are so cool in that. Cal Ripken, Orioles. That goes to Andrew Owens. I just love Bowman's Best. That is probably my overall favorite product. But I do love all the hit heavy stuff. Inception's pretty cool, but National Treasures, Triple Threads, those are top dogs right there. Randy Johnson. Mike Trout. Jimmy. Harper. Logan Webb. Joe Wood. Ripken. DiMaggio. Taylor. And, ooh, that's a nice one. Is it? Jesus Luzardo for the Oakland A's. That gets a little fire. Oakland A's goes to Chad Baker. Chad Baker. Nice pull for the A's. And to finish up that box, we have a Ty Cobb and a Matt Chapman. All right, guys, here we go. Last box, and we'll do a quick recap. And then I'm going to hop back on and update the posts that are up there. That's good, Chad. Glad I could pull it for you, my man. Glad I could pull it for you. That's the goal. Make you guys happy. Most of our breaks we do fairly well. Some of them are a little but you know, it's going to happen. You can't have fire out of every single box. But the majority of our boxes, as most of you know, we pull some nice stuff. Even if it's like a 2-box mixer. I mean, we're known to pull the case hits. We're known to pull the 1-on-1s. It doesn't matter. We don't need full cases to pull the hotness over here. Joe is calling for a Wander Franco. Let's see if we can do it, guys. Let's see if we can do it. I'm going to try my best. I like the breaks when we do a full case, and like we've had a couple cases where we've come very, very close, like within 1 or 2 people of getting everybody at least one hit in the break, and that's the ultimate goal right there. One of these days we will get every single person a hit in a break. One of these days. And I consider hits, even numbered cards, relics, autos. I considered like numbered cards like this, guys. This one out of 99. That'd be a hit in my book. So, I know some people don't consider those hits, but I do. Greenberg, Schilling, Bill Terry, Horner, Reggie Jackson, Mookie, Gavin Lux, and a Mickey Mantle. And we have a Mike Piazza for the New York Mets. Yachty, Larry Walker, Jake Rogers, Yu Chang, Altuve, Lou Gehrig, Baez, and that's cool. A Craig Biggio for the Houston Astros. Andrew Owens. Yeah, there is a lot of looks in this. That's nice, Craig Biggio. That's a sweet looking card right there. That is cool. I like that one a lot. I don't know. There has to have been some Royals in this. Soto. I I don't recall. Castro, Pete Rose, Anderson, Larry Walker, and a Satchel Paige. And we have a Rojas. That goes to Arizona. Mel Ott. Richie Ashburn. And Galen. Rendon. Ichiro. Nola. Logan Allen. Ty Cobb. There's a Breggy. Roberto Alomar. Flaherty. Jordan Alvarez. Bryce Harper. Domingo. Christian Yelich. Knapp. Another nice King Griffey. I really like that card on that green. That looks really sharp. Really sharp. Abreu, DiMaggio, Taylor, Otani. There's one more hit. We'll save it for the last card. Ripken, Chipper Jones, Mathewson, Pete Alonso, Dylan Cease, Clemente, and here's our last hit. It's a Kyle Lewis, 23 of 25, going to the Seattle Mariners. That is beautiful. Look at that sparkle on that top patch there. 2-color, 3-color patch on the bottom. Kyle Lewis, the Mariners, with the last hit. And it's a nice one. Chris. '23 of 25. Look at that bad boy. That is very nice. That's the way to finish the break. That is the way to finish the break. Alright, let's do a quick recap, guys. We've got a Cal Ripken out of 99. Ronald Bolins out of 49. Fox out of 25 and a Molitor out of 99. And I believe I missed a Yelich numbered in there somewhere, guys. I'll find it. Yeah, that card is really cool. That is nice colored patches there. That Lewis. Craig Biggio. I really like that card. That one looks cool to me. Yachty. Quad patch. Otani. And we have Jose Abreu. Strasburg. And a Elston Howard. Well, I got to give props to Diamond Kings. I like the layout this year. Nice design. Sometimes I'm not a big fan, but I like them this year. There's a nice Nico Horner. Nico. And we got a Sandoval. And a Luzardo. Rico Garcia. Blake Snell out of 25. And this beautiful Kyle Lewis out of 25. Dual patch auto. Nasty colors in that bad boy. Thank you, guys. Fun break. I got 2 more boxes I'm going to post up. I think I'm going to do it over in TBCF. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it here. It's going to be in one of the 2 later this afternoon or tomorrow. I'll try and get them up today. I got 2 more boxes. That's all I got right now. I can probably get more. I'll let you guys know. Stay tuned. You guys be safe out there. I'll talk to you later. Peace.